Hi everyone, I am Ashish Kapoor from ashishkapoor.com, and today in this video we are going to discuss how you can start your own blog from scratch on WordPress with Bluehost India hosting. How much does it cost, how good is it, and how easy it is to set up your first blog, set up your theme and get started blogging. So let's go ahead and discuss how you can do that. So guys, to start your own blog today you will need a domain name and a web hosting plan to start with. And to find a good domain name, we use a domain name generator to find a relevant available domain at the good cost. In this video, I am going to tell you how you will get the domain for free. So let's find the right domain name for now, and we will disclose the way to get it for free. So here you can type your keyword, the kind of website or blog you want to start. For example, in my case, I want to write about social media, so I will type social and I will get a few suggestions. I can choose only .com and search again, and it will give me very relevant options to choose from. For example, I like this one, web social solutions. I can copy this and then go ahead with the web hosting plan. So we are on bluehost.in now, and I will go to the home page and show you where to start. For example, basically the WordPress hosting costs 399 rupees per month, but when you go for 36 months, like 3-year plan, it will be only 175 rupees per month. So it will be built for 3 years at once, but it will be very cost effective, that I will show you later in this video. So this is WordPress hosting and not a shared hosting plan anymore. So you can check all these 3 plans. In the basic plan you get only one website, and paying for 36 months you will get it for 175 rupees per month. You get 50 GB of SSD, unlimited databases, 100 free WordPress themes, free staging environment, free SSL certificate, and free domain for 1 year. This is what I was talking about. You can get the domain for free now, and also you will get free speed boosting CDN and free website migration if you will need help with that. So let's just select this and type our domain. We can set up the domain later also, but since we are getting a free domain with this plan, we can choose or search the domain right here. Just type your domain without .com and click on next. It will check the availability of the domain now, and once it is available it will show you the sign up process. You can quickly sign up with this Google sign up button, or you can fill up your details here, the name, last name and everything. And here goes the main information about your web hosting plan. If you need domain privacy and protection, you will be charged 449 rupees per year. And also if you need website backup, you can also pay around 200 rupees per month. SEO tools start is free, positive SSL certificate, and as you can see, this plan is built for 3 years and it is costing only 6,300 rupees. Okay, so this is like 3 years and 6,300 rupees. When I choose only 2 years plan, then it will come around 6,200 rupees. So you will get one additional year for just 100 rupees extra. And let me just give you one more comparison with annual plan. When you go for just 12 months, then it will cost around 3,588 rupees. So it will be like half of the 3-year plan. So if you're going with the 3-year plan, it is always a beneficial. So guys, if you're going with the 3 years plan, it is really cheap for you. So I will really recommend to go for a long term with any of the hosting plan if you are buying from anywhere. So Bluehost India is a great provider for you to start your blog today. Just fill up your payment information down below, your credit card details, CV and everything, and then you can check this box and click on submit. And then, so guys, as you can see, I've already got my Bluehost India web hosting plan activated, and now I will go ahead and show you how you can set up your blog and what are the steps that you need to follow to be able to launch your blog quickly. So once I am logged in to my Bluehost India account, I will see my dashboard that looks like this. It also gives you a checklist of things you need to do to successfully, launch your first website. You need to choose the theme, create a home page, customize the design, add a contact page, add more content to your website, and a lot more steps that you can do. Once you do everything, then you can check all of these things. You can also add more sites if you have an unlimited plan. Okay, now here you can see the list of your website. If you want to add more website, then you can click on this add site and create a website or migrate existing website. For now we will be setting up this website. Right now it has a default coming soon page by Bluehost. So let's click on manage website, and from here you can see it gives you a quick overview of everything in your WordPress site, and it gives you up to 150 rupees credits from Google Ads. You can also see the number of users in WordPress, the backup files. You can also get a WordPress.com or CodeGuard plan. Then the performance. Here you can do the advanced performance configuration for your website. You can check the cache settings. You can also clear cache for a specific URL right here, and lot more. And then comes the security part, SSL certificate. You can quickly activate an SSL certificate after pointing your domain to this hosting plan. And also you can see the list of the plugins and choose auto upgrade for them. And then from here you can change the domain name. If you have bought the domain name also, then you can change it. You can disable the coming soon page from here. And then you also have advanced access, SSH access, PHPMyAdmin and file manager. These three are the main tools that you will ever need to manage your website with ease. So now from here you can control the automatic updates if you want the code files to update automatically or not. And then what I did here now is I can quickly log in without password from my bluehost.in panel just by clicking on login to WordPress button. And here is my WordPress dashboard. From here I can control everything on my website. Now the first thing after setting up any WordPress website, I will recommend you to do the change in permalink structure. Choose the post name and click on save. That's the first thing I will always do for any new website I will launch. And then you can install the required plugins. For example, for SEO plugin, I do not recommend all-in-one SEO. I will choose Yoast SEO or Rank Math plugin. So let's go ahead and install Yoast SEO as well. You can see when I search Yoast SEO, the Rank Math SEO is also there. You can install that too alternatively, but I will recommend to use Yoast SEO. So these are the quick steps that you can follow to launch your first WordPress blog. So make sure you activate the required essential plugins. I will give you a list of all the required essential plugins down below in the comment in the description of this video. So some of them would be paid plugins, but that would be worth it when you scale up your website. To start with, you can start with free themes and plugins only. For the theme, I would recommend GeneratePress to be able to host your website very smoothly and also very fast. Now we need to do a couple of settings in GeneratePress. While you can see the home page, this is the default page and the theme is successfully uploaded. Now we can customize this and do a quick setup. In site identity, I can change the site title. You can write the blog brand name. Okay, if you have a logo or you have created one, you can upload it from here, select it and then upload it. And then you can also upload the site icon, and then from the layout you can choose everything. You can change colors, the font and everything. And then I am going to edit the sidebar right here. From here I can remove any of the widget I want and add from this list. So just in case if you want your social links to appear over there in the footer right side, then you can write your links, like write Facebook and link it. From here you can edit your footer layout as well, and then you can click quickly publish or do a few more setup. In the free theme there is only excerpt or full option, but when you go for the paid theme, then you will be having so many options in the blog layout section. But right now that's enough for me to start and launch the website. Now what I need to do next is delete the default post. This is the default post with a single comment. So I will go to posts and remove this hello world post. And now from here I can add new post and write my content here. Put up your title, for example my first blog post title, and then you can I am going to do some demo content here, but you need to actually write the content for this for any of your article. I'm just showing you how to paste content, how to add images, etc. You can add the meta title, meta description, everything for the SEO purpose. You can write the keyword here there and then optimize the article for the best SEO score. So once you are satisfied with the content of the post and SEO score, then you can publish the article and it will be ready for you. You can also add or remove comment option, and then you can add the featured image from here, tags, and you can add the categories. Categories are very necessary for you to easily help users navigate your website. So you can add multiple categories. For example, in the technology you can add software, hardware, applications, etc. Once you will publish it, then you will be able to check the URL of the final published post. So as you can see, I have published my first blog post here, which is keyword here, and this is how it looks. So likewise, you can publish more articles and get your blog started. So guys, this was it from my side about Bluehost review. I really recommend you to start your blog today, and with the Bluehost hosting, you will get a good discount to keep it running for next 3 years. So it's a great pricing option and value for your money to start your blog today. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. I will see you in the next video, in which I will be giving you some speed test scores from this website.